Hello everyone, welcome back to Chill with Sabi. I hope you're all doing well. I have got something super exciting to share with you all. If you are a fan of classic cars, lowriders, or just love collecting the diecast model, you are in for a treat. Today, I'm diving into the details of the Hot Wheels RLC Exclusive 1964 Chevrolet Impala SS. This diecast car is a tribute to an era where style and performance ruled. So let's take a closer look at what makes this diecast so special. The 1964 Chevrolet Impala SS is a classic lowrider icon from the 1960s, which is known for its sleek design and powerful performance. Hot Wheels RLC Exclusive diecast model capture this perfectly with the features like adjustable suspension, rear rider wheels, and a chrome-plated chassis, which is finished in Spectra Flame bright red and the red interior and white details. This collectibles honors one of the last third-generation Impalas, marking the end of an era and the beginning of new collectible adventure. How cool is that? It's a piece of automotive history on wheels. So don't miss your chance to own this piece of history, as it is going to launch on September 17, 2024 at 9 a.m. Pacific Time for $30 at metalcreation.com. I know some of you are concerned about the cost, but for true collectors, it's a worth grabbing. So what do you think? Is the new Hot Wheels RLC exclusive 1964 Chevrolet Impala is a must-have for your collection? Let me know in the comments. And if you're excited as I am, hit the subscribe button and turn on notification so you don't miss any upcoming Hot Wheel reviews and news. Thanks for tuning in and keep those wheels turning. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting.